This is a 13 on your side weather update.
Well, we've had this high humidity around for quite some time, and now we're going to say bye-bye to the high humidity. 13 weather ball tonight is blue. Tomorrow, a few degrees cooler in view, but a little bit change in our humidity level. This view sponsored by Tullymore, a golf resort. We are looking at the dog walking forecast. Going to give you the green paw for River. Courtney and Jason take them out this evening. It'll be a little bit humid. Tomorrow morning will feel a lot more comfortable. Dew points will be dropping here very late tonight. Solar energy being generated here tomorrow, 5.6 out of a 10-point scale, about 114% of the possible in there. 1.1 for wind energy out of 10 because the winds are going to be light and variable here during the day tomorrow. We've got a little bit of sunshine as a cold front has gone through the area or starting to go through the area. It's a very slow mover. Early today it had a lot of showers with it, some rumbles of thunder in a couple of spots, but all of that is now moved well to our east. It'll take a while for the humidity levels to drop, so one more night where you need the ceiling fans on and the air conditioner, but eventually this will push to the south. Briefly higher humidity coming back on Wednesday, but then that will finally leave us later on this week. Here's where the cold front is right now, pushing all of the storms out of the region. It'll be mostly clear off to the north and west towards daybreak, but it'll take a while for the clouds to dissipate here in southern lower Michigan, but eventually skies becoming mostly sunny. It'll be a clear, very comfortable night tomorrow night. Get those windows open, and then as we head through the rest of the week, lots of sunshine. From time to time might see a couple of clouds, but for the most part it will be dry until we get into later on in the weekend. Nice Friday coming up, nice Saturday as well until late in the day when some showers and maybe even a rumble of thunder comes in overnight Saturday night and then pushes out of the region in most areas during the day on Sunday. Long range outlook, we're looking at temperatures to be a little bit closer to average after being cooler than average up until about the 16th of the month. From the 16th through the 22nd, it'll be near average, but the dry weather continues for that third week of August. For tonight, skies will be mostly cloudy with mid and upper 50s north, around 60 in Muskegon and Holland southward. In the northern part of our viewing area, mid and upper 50s under partly to mostly cloudy skies, and from Grand Rapids southward, we'll be in the low 60s, maybe around 60 in Ionia. 13 on your side forecast. Less humid tomorrow with a 77 high, a little bit more humid, a little warmer on Wednesday. It'll be the warmest out of the next 10 days. Partly to mostly cloudy then Thursday, back to 77 Friday. The only chance of a real meaningful rain will come Saturday night, and we'll be in the low 80s Sunday through at least Wednesday and perhaps into next Thursday of next week. And you'll notice that the humidity level will be back as the dew points are climbing into the 60s. So, Julianne, a brief break from the humidity.
We'll take it. Thank you, George.
It has certainly been very humid last several days, peaking over the weekend, but now we're going to get a brief break from the humidity. 13 weather ball is also blue, cooler weather in view by a few degrees here tomorrow, and this view sponsored by Tullymore Golf Resort. Highs today, we're in the 70s to the north and west of Grand Rapids. We were 80 here in GR, mid 80s to the south and east. Again, with high humidity, we came within 2 degrees of our forecast high. We've done that 5 days in a row. We've had a pretty good past 31 days with 1, 2, 3, 4 misses outside of 3 degrees. So doing pretty well. It's been very warm here in the greater Grand Rapids area with our temperatures running about 5 degrees warmer than average up to this point in the month. We've got a lot of cloud cover across the region. We're getting a brief break from the clouds right now here in the Grand Rapids area. It's mostly cloudy. Got a cold front going through the area. That's why we've got that little bit of brief break, but it will stay pretty much overcast most of the night tonight until this front gets far enough to the south. So that means our dew points are going to take a while to drop. You'll still need one more night with the ceiling fan on and the air conditioner on as well. But as this system pulls away, we'll see some drier air move on in. This is our hour-by-hour forecast. No threat of any rain here tonight, but here's daybreak tomorrow. You'll start out nice and sunny off to the north and west of Grand Rapids, but it's going to take a while for the clouds to clear on out here in GR. Will be partly cloudy throughout most of the day, eventually becoming clear tomorrow evening. It'll be a clear night tomorrow night as well. As we get later on in the week, lots of sunshine on Wednesday. It'll be a very nice day, a little bit on the cooler side. Despite a couple of clouds on Thursday, will stay nice and sunny as well. Dew points will drop even more. You saw a little bit of a cold front come on through. Beautiful day Day on Friday. So we got a Chamber of Commerce week coming up, but by later on the weekend, overnight Saturday night into Sunday morning, a pretty good chance of some showers across the region. A long-range outlook, in case you missed it last Friday, from August 20th through September 2nd. This is wrapping up the month of August. We have an equal chance of seeing warmer or cooler than average temperatures, a warmer across much of the country. In terms of precipitation, we're on the very eastern edge of an area that continues to be dry, so maybe typical weather with dry conditions continuing. Forecast for tomorrow, partly to mostly sunny, especially early on in the day and later on as well. Low to mid 70s there. It may take a little while in the southern zones to get a little bit sunnier, but nonetheless mid and upper 70s. Right around 77 up north, you'll see more sunshine than anything else throughout the day, and it will take a while for the clouds to clear here in the southern zones with highs in the mid and upper 70s. 13 on your side forecast. Briefly warmer, more humid Wednesday, but back into some comfortable 70s Thursday through much of the weekend. There's that chance of rain Saturday night into very early Sunday. Next week, more humid as dew points climb back into the 60s with highs in the low 80s.